In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you customize the back of your greeting card on Walmart. Let's get started. So if you want to add extra text, photos, designs, or even a personal message on the back of your card, watch this video till the end. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Walmart Photo, or you can type in photos3.walmart.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now choose a greeting card or photo card design you want to customize. Once you select your card style, click on Customize to open the card editor. Inside the editor, you can personalize different parts of the card, including front, inside, and sometimes even the back depending on the card type you selected. To customize the back of the card, look for page navigation arrows or layout option in the editor and switch to the back side of the card. Here you can add your own text, upload photos, change background colors, or insert design elements using the editing tools provided by Walmart Photo. Some premium or folded card designs offer more customization features than basic cards, so the available options may vary depending on the template you choose. Once you finish editing, preview your card carefully to make sure everything looks correct before placing your order. Walmart Photo also includes envelopes with many greeting cards orders, making it easy to send them right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.